A comma B comma C are angles in a triangle, then prove that sin 2A plus sin 2B plus sin 2C equal to 4 sin A sin B sin C. Since A comma B comma C are angles in a triangle, then angles in a triangle, then A plus B plus C equal to 180 degrees. Take LHS part. LHS we can take it as sin 2A plus sin 2B plus sin 2C. In that, take first term which are in the form of sin C plus sin D. The formula is 2 sin C plus D by 2 cos C minus D by 2. Wherever C is there, replace it by 2A, and D is there, replace it by 2B. Then the next step is 2 sin 2A plus 2B by 2 cos 2A minus 2B by 2. As it is, take plus sin 2C. Here in numerator 2 get common. 2 into A plus B by 2. Here also in numerator 2 get common. A minus B by 2 plus sin 2C. 2 get cancelled, 2 get cancelled. Here 2 sin of A plus B cos of A minus B plus sin 2C. Here A plus B plus C equal to 180 degrees. Write A plus B value here 180 degrees minus C cos of A minus B plus sin 2C. Sin of 180 minus C equal to sin C, cos of A minus B plus sin 2C equal to 2 sin C cos C. Here overall 2 sin C get common, cos of A minus B plus cos C. C equal to, again according to the value of A plus B plus C equal to 180 degrees, we can take it as cos of 180 degrees minus of A plus B. Cos of 180 minus theta equal to minus cos theta. Cos of 180 minus A plus B can be written as minus cos of A plus B. Cos of A minus B minus cos of A plus B value 2 sin A sin B. Next 2 into 2 equal to 4 sin A sin B sin C. Hence proved.